Prime Minister Narendra Modi to arrive. The cavalcade proceeding very slowly, very slowly, taking much more time than originally anticipated. People here waiting. Now it's getting very exciting, and exciting because both the Rahul Gandhi, Akhilesh roadshows and the Modi roadshow was planned in a way that they wouldn't clash with each other. But in the manner in which the first roadshow is getting delayed, it is inevitable that at some point in time there will be clashes. Already right behind me we see lots of Samajwadi Party posters, lots of auto rickshaws, SP workers, all of them with BJP workers. You know, it's been said that the Election Commission has in some senses killed the color of the elections. Not so in Varanasi. We've got this gentleman here, he's been practicing his shunk skills. आप इंतजार कर रहे हैं मोदी जी के आने का? अच्छे से
काशी में स्वागत करते हैं। वाराणसी में बाबा की नगरी में काल भैरव बाबा के यहाँ पहली बार दर्शन करने आ रहे हैं। उनका हम लोग संगठान के साथ स्वागत करते हैं और काशी के मेरे संग बजाते साथ उनका स्वागत में एक साथ आवाज आएगी, आप देखिएगा। नमः पार्वती पते हर हर महादेव की जय, मोदी मोदी जय, मोदी मोदी।
We're still some days away from Holi, but if you were to walk around the streets of Varanasi this afternoon, that's not the sense that you will get. A lot of people out in the streets playing Holi already. I can tell you, what we're seeing right now is a place from where the Narendra Modi cavalcade is to cross in a short while. There are equally other places in Varanasi which are totally coloured with the flags of the Congress and the Samajwadi Party. These are 8 streets of Varanasi where this fight is taking place, and the BJP out in full force trying to ensure that they win this battle. आप हर हर मोदी घर घर मोदी कह रहे हैं, लेकिन जैसे हम लोग वाराणसी में घूम रहे हैं, आप तो बीजेपी के सपोर्टर्स, लेकिन बाकी लोग बोल रहे हैं कि इतना फायदा हुआ नहीं है पीएम के आने का।
इस बार 2014 से ज्यादा अच्छा रिजल्ट आने वाला है और इस बार ज्यादा सपोर्ट मिल रहा है और सांसदीय चुनाव से ज्यादा विधानसभा में इस बार उनके सपोर्ट में भीड़ है।
नहीं, पर ये हकीकत है ना, गंगा नदी अभी तक साफ हुई नहीं, ठीक है, काशी क्योटो बना नहीं।
आप लास्ट घाट पे कब गए थे?
मैं कुछ महीने पहले गया।
अब आप जाके देखिए, कूड़े मेरे को एक भी नहीं दिखाई देता।
आपको गंगा साफ दिख रही है?
बहुत साफ दिख रही है। मैं डेली फोटोग्राफी करता हूँ वहाँ पे।
सबसे बड़ी चीज लोगों में चेतना आई है स्वच्छता के प्रति, और गंगा जी जो 100 सालों से गंदी है, लोगों के अंदर मोदी जी द्वारा किए गए आह्वान से चेतना आ रही है, और ये चेतना एक दिन चिंगारी से, मेरा विश्वास है, चिंगारी से ज्वालामुखी का काम करेगी, जिस दिन संपूर्ण आदमी को।
Make no mistake, this is a battle of prestige for the BJP. There are 8 seats in Varanasi, 3 in the center, in the urban pocket of Varanasi, 5 in rural Varanasi. It's important for the BJP to ensure that they do well on all these seats. I want to go across now to my colleague Supriya Bhardwaj, who's assessing the preparations for the Rahul Akhilesh roadshow and also speaking to a bunch of doctors. Over to you, Supriya.
Well, still few hours are left for Akhilesh Yadav Rahul Gandhi roadshow to start in Varanasi, but here near the Ambedkar Chowk, the enthusiasm is supporters is worth noticing. Also, interestingly, these are the doctors from Shri Krishna Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital who are present here in large number to extend their support to Akhilesh Yadav as well as Rahul Gandhi. Let's try to ask from these people as to what is the reason why they are here. Sir, there's another roadshow going on of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, but you guys have come here. What is the reason?
देखिए, शिक्षा में बहुत सुधार हुआ है और हम लोगों को आयुर्वेद के स्टूडेंटों को जो एलोपैथ लिखने का अखिलेश भैया ने मौका दिया है, ये हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी उपलब्धि है और हम इसलिए अखिलेश भैया के सपोर्ट में हैं और हमेशा रहेंगे। अखिलेश भैया और राहुल गांधी की जो गठबंधन की सरकार है, वो हम उत्तर प्रदेश में लाना चाहते हैं और सभी आज इसलिए रोड शो में अखिलेश भैया क्या है कि ताकि बताएं कि हमारी फिर से अखिलेश भैया की सरकार बने।
Well, here some of the women doctors also. Let's try to ask them. There, Dimple Yadav, who their placards they are holding has Dimple Yadav also. Interestingly, Dimple Yadav will be joining this roadshow for the first time. Dimple Yadav will be seen in a roadshow of Rahul Gandhi and Akhilesh Yadav. Dimple Yadav जो है वो भी इस रोड शो का हिस्सा होंगे, कैसे देखते हैं आप?
डिम्पल यादव ने हम लोग के लिए बहुत कुछ किया है। उन्होंने 1090 का से वो महिलाओं को सुरक्षा प्रदान किया है वो करके।
डिम्पल यादव भी होंगी इस पूरे रोड शो में, कैसे देखते हैं?
डिम्पल यादव हमारे यूपी की सर्वश्रेष्ठ नेता हैं, हमें इनके नेता जैसी जरूरत है। और अखिलेश यादव और डिम्पल यादव ने हमारे उत्तर प्रदेश में जितना विकास किया है आज तक किसी भी सरकार ने नहीं किया है। अखिलेश यादव ने डॉक्टरों के लिए जितना काम किया है आज तक किसी भी ने नहीं किया है।
Akhilesh Yadav and Dimple Bhavi is what they are chanting at the moment. With video journalist Ritesh Supriya Bharadwaj for India Today in Varanasi.
Okay, that was Supriya Bharadwaj giving us a sense of the preparations. We've got lots of very excited BJP supporters around us. This is where the Narendra Modi cavalcade will pass from in a short while from now. The selfie addiction is a big problem. Bhai sahab, live chal raha hai. Thodi der karne dijiye. I want to go across also now to my colleague Maushmi Singh. She's with us in Azamgarh. Azamgarh is where Mulayam Singh Yadav comes from. This is one of the pocket boroughs of the Samajwadi Party. And I want to understand from Maushmi whether these big colorful road shows, the Jan Sabhas by Rahul and Akhilesh, followed by the road shows, the big BJP road show across Varanasi, is it at all impacting? Is there a charcha about it, a buzz about it, where you are in Azamgarh? Because in some senses, you're not supposed to campaign when the sixth phase of polling is on. But given how things have changed in the media arena, in the social media age, all of that now virtually meaning very little. What's happening in Azamgarh where you are, Maushmi?
That's right, Rahul. Even though in Azamgarh we've been seeing a high voter turnout, specifically youth voters and women voters have come out in large numbers. Importantly, in Azamgarh, you know, there is 4G and 3G connection. I'm surprised. So definitely people would be watching over the roadshow of Narendra Modi as well as Akhilesh Yadav and Rahul Gandhi. But we have a lot of youth voters who've just voted and come out. I'd like to tell you that Akhilesh has done approximately 8 rallies and Dimple has also campaigned extensively in Azamgarh, though Mulayam Singh Yadav has given it a miss, and we'll take that reaction from these people. Mulayam Singh Yadav ने खुद कैंपेन यहाँ पे नहीं किया, आपको लगता है उसका प्रभाव होगा?
यहाँ पे मुलायम सिंह हो या चाहे अखिलेश यादव हो, पहली बात ये लोग जो सुरक्षा का मामला होता है इसमें दोनों लोग खिलाफ हैं और मुसलमान के सबसे बड़ी सुरक्षा की वो है। जैसे
सुरक्षा की दिक्कत है,
मुजफ्फरनगर दंगा हुआ उसमें इतना बड़ा वो लोग किया, प्रतापगढ़ हुआ, मेरठ हुआ, ये लोग ने 602 दंगे कराए अब तक 5 साल में, और ये दंगा की पार्टी ही है। खाली ये कहते हैं मैं मुसलमान का ये हूँ, मैं मुसलमान का वो हूँ, मुसलमान का कोई वो नहीं है।
युवाओं के क्या मुद्दे हैं? आप लोग युवा हैं, बेरोजगारी यहाँ पे छाई है, मुलायम सिंह मुखिया है, यहाँ के पहलवान बुलाए जाते हैं, गढ़ है उनका।
युवाओं का मुद्दा यहाँ से सबसे ज्यादा जो ऐसा पढ़ाई लिखाई का मुद्दा है और यहाँ पे विकास का मुद्दा है युवाओं का, और जिसको अखिलेश यादव ने एकदम पूरा किया है, उस पर एकदम खरे उतरे हैं,
पूरे खरे उतरे हैं। कहते हैं कि यहाँ पे 3 लोग आपको मिल जाएंगे, एक तो स्कूल चलाते हुए, या डॉक्टर मिल जाएंगे, या फिर नेता मिल जाएंगे। वो इसलिए क्योंकि प्राइवेट जो सेवाएं हैं वो बहुत महंगी है, स्कूल की फीस बहुत महंगी है, और कुछ काम ना हो तो नेता बन जाओ।
नहीं, ये तो है, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ गवर्नमेंट को थोड़ा सा मतलब एजुकेशन के इम्प्रूवमेंट के लिए वर्क करना चाहिए, और जो जैसे आपके मेडिकल सर्विसेज जो है वो गरीबों तक पहुंचानी चाहिए, बेहतर से बेहतर।
आज की डेट में अगर आपके घर में कोई बीमार होता है तो कोई बढ़िया हॉस्पिटल है यहाँ पे?
जी मैम, आजमगढ़ में बढ़िया से बढ़िया हॉस्पिटल है और प्राइवेट, लेकिन यहाँ समाजवादी सरकार ने जो एम्बुलेंस,
सरकार की तारीफ मत कीजिएगा, आप काम की बात करिए।
हाँ, यहाँ तो एम्बुलेंस जो चलती है उस पे यहाँ लोग ले जाते हैं सरकारी अस्पताल पे, डॉक्टरों की व्यवस्था बहुत अच्छी की गई है यहाँ। सब
क्या कह रहे हैं, पीजीआई भी है यहाँ पे, बड़ा अस्पताल है।
यहाँ पे जितने सरकारी हॉस्पिटल हैं कभी डॉक्टर ड्यूटी पे रहते ही नहीं है, वो छुट्टी पे रहते हैं, या तो प्राइवेट में किसी मार्केट में बैठ के अपनी जॉब करते हैं, अपने लिए कमाते हैं, ना तो पब्लिक या गरीब की सेवा करते हैं वो यहाँ बैठ के।
Rahul, let me tell you that the fact of the matter is that here medical fees is an all-time high. Schools, you have many schools, but they're all private schools, and school fees is equivalent to what you give in Delhi or in Noida. And the fact of the matter is that unemployment is such a big issue that people actually have to go out of the country or to Delhi or Mumbai to get a job, a decent job, and that's the issue that has been prevalent in Azamgarh since time immemorial.
We've got some breaking news coming in now. Poster wars breaking out on the streets of Varanasi. There's been a complaint made by BJP workers that there were apparently some posters of the SP and the Congress which were plastered near the Bibia Razia Mosque, and the BJP saying that these are posters that have been put up on religious buildings, which is a violation of the Election Commission's Code of Conduct, and therefore these posters have now been taken down. Remember this place very close to the Kashi Vishwanath temple, the iconic temple of Varanasi, where the Prime Minister is expected to arrive in a short while from now. The SP and the Congress had apparently put up posters very close to this mosque, the BJP complaining. In fact, tempers haven't really been running high. You know, one thing that's been very interesting is that even though both the SP and the BJP are putting up this big strength on the roads of Varanasi, people have been rather friendly towards each other. There isn't that animosity or that hatred. The people of Varanasi generally very cultured, and that's being seen on the streets as well. So they're not really upset or angry with each other. They're of course going all out to ensure that they're able to put up the bigger strength. ये अभी हम लोगों को रिपोर्ट मिल रही थी जहाँ पे राहुल और अखिलेश के शो की तैयारी चल रही है, वहाँ पे भी खूब भीड़ इकट्ठा हो रही है. आप लोग टेंशन होंगे कि किसकी रोड शो बड़ी होगी?
जी, मैं रुद्र प्रताप पांडे, मैं यहाँ से बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि जो है कि यहाँ पे चूँकि मोदी जी जो हैं, मोदी जी ऐसे चेहरे हैं बीजेपी के जो कि उनको देखने के लिए और इतनी भीड़ बटरेगी. जैसे 80 पे तमाम भीड़ है, BHU गेट पे अत्यधिक भीड़ है और मैदानी चौराहे पे भी अत्यधिक भीड़ है, विश्वनाथ मंदिर पे अत्यधिक भीड़ है और यहाँ भैरवनाथ चौमानी पे आप देख ही रहे हैं. तो उसके तुलना में SP कांग्रेस की तुलना में और मोदी जी की तुलना में, क्योंकि यहाँ BJP नहीं मोदी जी चलता है, मोदी जी की तुलना में ये मोदी जी बहुत ऊपर है, हाई लेवल के हैं.
You know, one of the other very interesting things, we've got some workers of some of the other parties here as well, some Congress workers here. भीड़ आपके यहाँ पे ज्यादा आ रही है कि इनके यहाँ पे ज्यादा आ रही है?
ज्यादा भीड़ तो इस समय भाजपा वाली की है.
भीड़ ज्यादा है. और आपके
अभी तो हम लोग की कम है, अभी हम लोग की कम भीड़ है. जब ये
ऐसा तो नहीं कि भाजपा वालों ने आपको टोपी पहना?
नहीं 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 नहीं
असली कांग्रेसी हो कि नकली?
नहीं, असली है की.
अच्छा, फिर आप क्यों बोल रहे हो कि भाजपा में भीड़ ज्यादा?
भीड़ जो है वही बताएंगे ना, जो भीड़ है वही बताएंगे, जो सच्चाई है वही बता रहे हैं.
आप कह रहे हैं कि बीजेपी वाले में ज्यादा भीड़ है?
नहीं, बीजेपी वाले में, भाजपा वाले में भीड़ ज्यादा दिख रहे हैं.
दिख रही है आपको? Okay, that's interesting. A Congress worker there giving an answer of the kind that you'd not really expect. I want to go across now to Rohit Singh. He's joining us from the Kashi Vishwanath temple. Rohit, describe what you're seeing around you and also tell us about these poster wars breaking out right outside the Kashi Vishwanath temple.
Well, Rahul, in a short while from now, Prime Minister Modi will be arriving at the Kashi Vishwanath temple and he will be going inside the temple through the Gyan Vapi entrance. And this is the VIP entrance, and just outside this entrance, as I can tell you, there is a Bibi Razia mosque, and on the top of that mosque, there was a huge poster of the Samajwadi Party and the Congress, which had pictures of Rahul Gandhi, Akhilesh Yadav, Sonia Gandhi and Mulayam Singh Yadav. And that poster was there since morning, but just before Modi is about to come here, the BJP workers started creating a ruckus and they were demanding that at the entrance of the Gyan Vapi there is a huge poster of the alliance here, and what they were telling is that this is a religious place and therefore you cannot put up a poster on a religious place, and that is a violation of the Model Code of Conduct. And after a massive protest here, the administration has now removed this controversial poster which was just outside the Gyan Vapi entrance. So there we see that there is a poster war that is taking place, because early mornings we saw that the administration, they were bursting the balloons of the BJP. There were saffron color balloons and the green color balloon of the BJP, and we saw policemen, they were bursting those balloons, and the BJP was saying that this is wrong. And now we are seeing that, and a poster war has also erupted here, but now that poster of Rahul and Akhilesh Yadav has been pulled down.
Okay, thanks very much, Rohit. Akhilesh Yadav is speaking in his first Jan Sabha before he comes for this grand road show. So what I want to do now is go across live and listen to what the current Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh has to say.
ये आने वाले समय में एक भी गरीब परिवार की महिला नहीं बचेगी जिसको हम समाजवादी पेंशन न दे दें, और एक भी गरीब नहीं बचेगा जिसको हम लोहिया आवास का 3,05,000 न दे दें। और वहीं किसानों का कर्ज माफ करने के लिए भी अगर हमें 1 लाख रुपए तक का कर्ज माफ करना पड़ा तो उत्तर प्रदेश की बैंकों का हम 1 लाख तक का किसानों का कर्जा माफ करने का काम करेंगे। तकलीफ क्या है, वही मुझे देना पड़ेगा। आप बताओ कैसे भी है, ठीक है।
Okay, Rahul Kamal there, who was speaking to all of the supporters of the Prime Minister, who is, of course, making that rally. In a short while, he will be making a visit to the revered and the very famous Kashi Vishwanath temple. But we are getting shots of Akhilesh Yadav as well. Remember, Akhilesh Yadav, along with the Congress Vice President, is also carrying out his own rally, making all the poll promises as the elections now enter its last phase. This is a very crucial time, a high voltage election. As we can see, the temple town of Varanasi now emerging to be the political epicenter. Really, it's the clash of the titans that we have seen. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's rally and now the visuals of Akhilesh Yadav, who just addressed a huge gathering announcing all sorts of sops to the voters. And as I said before, this is a time when, all of the politicians would be pulling out all stops to woo the electorate. And this is one such place, Varanasi, the very sacred and holy city, where we are seeing a culmination of all of the action, all of those promises being made by the stalwarts of the Samajwadi Party and the Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself, in fact, who touched on Varanasi with Amit Shah, the BJP president, and this huge show of strength that we are getting to see being played out on the streets of Varanasi today. Clearly, the town has been buzzing with a lot of activity, supporters from all of these political parties, whether it's the Samajwadi Party, whether it's the Congress, whether it's the BJP, making a huge presence and, as you can see, waving out their respective party flags. Akhilesh Yadav there, who's also going to be making several visits in Varanasi, and we are also expecting the Prime Minister in a short while from now to visit the Kashi Vishwanath temple. And as Rahul was just pointing out, there was some sort of a scuffle that happened outside the very revered Kashi Vishwanath temple. There was a poster war of sorts, and there was some sort of reservations that were raised by the BJP workers. In fact, on their demand, those posters were removed. They were posters of the Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi. And just before the Prime Minister's visit to Kashi Vishwanath temple, those posters have now been removed. Okay, let's just also go across to my colleague Maushmi, who joins us from Azamgarh. Maushmi, while all of the attention is on Varanasi, which is emerging as the political epicenter, one just shouldn't really forget that the 6th phase of polling is underway as well. And you're in Azamgarh, Maulana Mulayam, as he's popularly known as in that particular area, his constituency. How really, Maushmi, has the voter turnout been?
That's right, we are in Azamgarh, and this is actually the fort of the Samajwadi Party, which the party would be looking at protecting. And this is actually the experimental laboratory where the MY factor would actually be tested. Let me tell you that Mulayam Singh Yadav has not campaigned in Azamgarh, which will have certain repercussions. But as far as Akhilesh Yadav and Dimple Yadav are concerned, both of them have been carpet bombing campaigns in Azamgarh. You can see we are on a polling booth in Sanjanpur where certain youths were accused in terror activities. But Azamgarh wants to write a new story, wants to write a different story, often infamous for linking it with terror activities. Azamgarh wants to write a story of development, and that's the issue that is dominating the senses of the voters who are going out to vote in huge numbers. We do believe that women voters and youth voters have come out in large numbers. Azamgarh is about 46 lakh voters,
yes.
And the women voters are equivalent to the male voters. Behind me you can see a polling booth where you can see women in burqa actually coming out in large numbers to vote.
Absolutely, and I'm going to go straight across to Executive Editor Javed Ansari as well. Javed, you know, there's just so much of frenzy and euphoria also amongst the party workers of the various political parties. Take me through the mood, take me through all the reactions that you're seeing around you.
There's Avantika excitement building in the air. In about half an hour from now, Akhilesh and Rahul will land a kilometer away in the police lines, and from there they will drive to the Ambedkar Chowk Chauraha, which is right behind me. This block is already full. I don't see how they will make their way here, and when they do, whether, you know, because this stretch of road that leads, this is where the yatra will commence, and this is the road that it will take.
So Javed, from where you are reporting is the momentum in favor of Akhilesh Yadav, in favor of the two young UP ke ladke.
Yeah, well, absolutely, because this is where the yatra is to commence. Let me ask this. I have with me a worker of the Congress party. आपका नाम?
डॉक्टर मार्कंडे सिंह।
मार्कंडे सिंह जी, मोदी जी का कहना है, उनके समर्थकों का कहना है कि बनारस उनका गढ़ है और ये आप लोग का सिर्फ शोबाजी है।
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, हमने एक सीट पहले भी जीती है, सारे 5 सीट हम 7 सीट जीत रहे हैं, और आप इसका सारा उदाहरण है, लाखों लोग सड़क पर हैं, ये इससे बड़ा जीता जागता उदाहरण क्या हो सकता है।
आप समाजवादी पार्टी समर्थक हैं, लोग ये कहते हैं कि आपकी सरकार ने, मोदी के लोग कहते हैं आपकी सरकार ने कुछ काम ही नहीं किया है।
देखिए, काम तो दिख रहा है। उत्तर प्रदेश के अंदर विश्व रिकॉर्ड जो बनाए गए हैं माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी के नेतृत्व में, भारत के अंदर इतना बड़ा एक्सप्रेसवे नहीं है, मेट्रो उत्तर प्रदेश के अंदर सबसे पहले आ गई है, और हम तो ये भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी वालों से ये
Avantika, I'll ask my camera person to Pam. This is, you know, there's a riot of color. There's a riot of color. Thousands of supporters, Samajwadi and Congress, holding placards, flags, walking arm in arm, raising slogans. They say cycle को हाथ पसंद है, सोनिया और मुलायम को इन लड़कों का साथ पसंद है. Now, well, how much this translates onto the ground, we don't know. But this, you know, they're making a match of it. They appear determined to make a match of it. News has filtered in of a large turnout at Modi's rally, and if you can see from the scenes playing out in front of me, they are drums beating, they are doing the Varanasi version of the Lambada. Everybody is doing their own thing.
Absolutely.
We've pushed right onto the margins. This whole road is just chock-a-block. This whole road is just chock-a-block. And Akhilesh Yadav and Rahul Gandhi.
Right, Javed. Yes, certainly we can see a sea of people, and as you very rightly put it, a riot of color just before Akhilesh Yadav and the others descend. This is where the rally will culminate. For now, Javed Maushmi, I'll have to thank you, but I will keep coming back to you after this very short break. News and updates from the holy town of Varanasi.